Materials, so you'll see quite a lot of new things. Some of the press conferences, Avery, Rafferty and others launching new materials. You're looking at new developments in wash-off labels, resealable label adhesives to enclosed packaging, new lineless innovations. Please go and see what Ritrama are launching here. Completely new lineless technology for self-adhesive labels, which any converter convert. You don't have to buy a new machine. You're looking at low migration adhesives now increasingly coming in. Adhesives for applications on condensation, applying wet. There's adhesives for high humidities. Almost any solution the industry is coming up with answers for. And it all helps to grow the business. We're looking at silicone emulsions, different technologies there as well. Digital, I'll talk a little bit more about. If you go back to 1996, by the end of 96, there were 15 digital presses in the label industry, mainly the old Indigos and the Zygons. By the end of 2002, there were still only 185 digital presses in the marketplace, in the label industry. At the end of last year, we were up to well over 2,000 digital presses worldwide in the label industry. It is escalated. There's 280, 300 new digital presses a year coming into this industry. If you look at those as a proportion of the total press installations worldwide, at the end of last year, 20% of all new narrow-web presses worldwide were in fact digital presses. It sounds very impressive in terms of machinery sales, but just to try and qualify it and put it into some context for the traditional press manufacturers, although it's 20% of all new presses, it still only represents about 1% in terms of billions of square meters that are printed worldwide are printed digitally. So there's still a long, long way to go. If you look at what's happened over the last 3 years, the number of digital press makes and models on the market has virtually doubled. If you go back to 95, there were only 2 digital press manufacturers. By 2000, there were 4. Then it went up to 7. Then it suddenly went up to 27. And currently, my total tally of digital label press makes and models is about 53 different machines. I think about 50 of those are on show at this exhibition. So a lot is going on with digital.